Well, good morning, y'all. Alright. The censorship that goes on in this country is unparamount. Like, it's ridiculous how much stuff can't be said or gets removed because of people's views. Hey, y'all keep forgetting we're in a free country. You have the right to freedom of speech. And God gave you the right of free will. You're born with free will to make your own choices. So why are people in the political powers trying to take that away from you? It makes no sense. If you want to have a nice, awesome life, once again, just follow the rules laid out in the Bible, and you'll have a great and prosperous life. Because everything you want to know has came from the Bible, from the Word of God. Because you can't have a better teacher. And like I said, if the principles weren't sound, the Bible still wouldn't be around. But think about it, y'all. You have politicians, people trying to get into office who are freaking rigging the elections to win, censoring people's free speech and their opinions because it does not fit with their political views. And the sad part is most of the people who are actually in power right now are doing a horrible job. Because look at how crappy our country has been over the last presidency. The economy went to crap. Immigration is at an all-time high with all kinds of illegal immigrants, drug traffickers, sex traffickers, all kinds of people. Then the media spin it off like, oh, they only hijacked a couple apartment complexes. Dude, if a freaking gang hijacks an apartment, a Mexican gang or cartel hijacks a freaking American apartment complex, we have a problem. Well, let's just it's only a couple. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Screw you, it's not a big deal. I was in the Army for 8 years. I went to Iraq for 15 months. I had a traumatic brain injury because of my accident in the Army. I said I've had a lot of issues because of it. I had to go back and forth with the disability and all this other stuff, which my disability miraculously got improved, and now I'm more than 10% disabled, which isn't enough to get my dependents covered by TRICARE. So I'm in the fight with that, but hey, we have homeless veterans and homeless people on the streets. If they want to spend all that money in the Ukraine that we did, what's the thing? We could have built a house for almost all the homeless people in America. Allocate your money better. Do better. It's not hard, but everyone has a political agenda. It's like, look at some of the things Trump would have done that they nixed whenever Biden got in office. We would have had enough oil reserves from the whole thing up in Alaska to give enough oil and energy to everybody. But political agendas, they always win. So, hey, stop letting other people control your life. Like, you always have to fight with politics, and that's the price you pay for being in the United States of America. And that's why a lot of well-to-do people are leaving the United States, because they just got sick of it. They can live cheaper elsewhere. They can run their businesses elsewhere because they're not stuck at a traditional 9-to-5 job. So that's why I believe you should work towards owning your life. Meaning having more time, more money, and better health at that time you can enjoy it. Just say, who cares? You can have all the time and money in the world, but if your health sucks, you can't enjoy it. But said, if you don't have a lot of capital to invest to create some significant rates of return, you might want to accumulate more capital. If you don't have a traditional business model that you have 500 plus employees, so you don't have to actually work at the job, you might want to look into referral marketing, network marketing, so you can go out there and simply share something you're personally benefiting from. That way, you can have the time when you do what you want when you want. That time you can enjoy it. Hey, walk your dogs whenever you want. Right now it's Saturday, so a lot of people aren't working because they get the weekend off, and that's where the problem with most people are. They live for the weekend. Screw that, y'all. Like I said, I like doing my main errands and all the stuff I need to do throughout the week. It's less busy and it's more effective. You ain't gotta wait so long. But if you like to learn about how you can own your life, And the best opportunity you have for doing it, if you don't have a lot of capital invested, you don't want to spend your whole life selling, visit the ebook and the audio that I'll add in the description, and you can learn about the industry and the 3-step own your life system so you can get on the path to owning your life. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know how you feel our economy is doing and if you think the government is taking over. Be great.